Stree Shakti Awards 2023 and Ms. Karuna Gopal, President, Foundation of Futuristic Cities. And can we warmly welcome our Honorable Chief Guest by presenting her a floral bouquet. Ma'am, please accept these flowers as a token of our warm welcome to you to Stree Shakti Awards 2023. And it's such a privilege to have your presence with us today. Everybody, can we please request you all to rise for the national anthem? Thank you, everyone. May I invite Mr. Balram Babu, President TCEI, to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you once again, the TCEI family and the TCEI working team for putting up a great show, TCEI Stree Shakti Awards 6th edition. I'd like to welcome Her Excellency Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, Honorable Governor, Telangana, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Puducherry, and also I'd like to welcome the friends of media, our leaders from TCEI and TCEI vertical associations. It's an emotional moment for every one of us here, especially the members of TCEI, because we all have come together as a cohesive habitat in 2014 when the association was launched with a small idea by 4 like-minded friends. And we see it now with more than 400 members. Madam President, Madam Governor, I would like to humbly submit that our association is a non-profit organization which over the past 10 years has been instrumental and rendering various services for event management and event management industry across the region and also across the country. We have envisaged some wonderful initiatives for the betterment of event industry and event management industry. We have organized more than 7 to 8 annual IP events we organize every year for bringing all of us together. And this is one such initiative which is beyond everything and more emotional for every one of us. For the matter of fact, Stree Shakti Awards, the name itself resonates, Stree and Shakti. I'd like to sincerely thank and acknowledge every woman out there for being what they are, what they have been, and what they have mattered for the entire ecosystem. I mean, they are the start and they are the one who run it and they are the one actually who also finish at the end of the day. So it starts, as a kid I've seen growing by looking at my mom, how she starts her day and how she brings it up, and it's a quite emotional day. And when I see a lot of women here, and especially the women in events industry, which are prima facie, we have built this IB only to primarily to acknowledge their contribution to events industry. We are the 6th edition of Sri Shakti Awards, and this year, unlike all editions before, we have received more than 250 applications across India. I would really like to hear it from every one of you. It's a great achievement by the team which is put it down. And there has been a rigorous jury process who have evaluated on various parameters, and they have awarded 35 Sri Shakti Awards, which is the first honor. We have the second level honor, which is 3 Murthy Awards, and we have a highest distinction, and which is the highest honor in our Sri Shakti Awards, which is 3 Ratna, and there are 3 awards, which are 3 Ratnas. Please give a big round of applause for all the winners. I would also like to say the other nominations we have received, you are all being good, and it's a learning. There's no one who loses in an entry process. It's either we win or we learn. We have great distinct entries from various categories like Sahitya Kala Academy winners. We have some Padma Shri winners also who have applied for this awards. This itself resonates the kind of awards we are harnessing. I not take much time of yours because we have a very active team led by convener Vishala Reddy Garu, along with co-conveners Prabha Chaudhary and Vandana Raja, who have built up the entire show. In fact, being Sri Shakti Awards, the major event part has been taken over by the committee itself, which comprises 70 to 80% of women only. So without taking much time of yours, and thanking you once again, madam, for your gracious presence. We were really looking forward for your presence because this is something which boosts the morale of all our women out here. And please give a big round of applause for the governor, madam. She has consulted. It's been a very tedious schedule for her. She was in Puducherry. She's just arrived in the airport, and from there she said, I'll come and I'll just give a small moment of presence and then I'll leave. So thank you very much, madam. So I would like to close it here. Thank you very much. Thanks once again. Have a great show. Thank you.